Welcome back to Holistic Apothecary. Today, as promised, I'm going to show you how to clear your space using sound and vibrations from different tools that we have. Here, we have a quartz crystal singing bowl. It can be used by either striking and just moving the bowl around, or you can play the bowl like this. And while you're listening to this, I'd like you to close your eyes and really feel the effect from the vibration of the sound, because it's a very high vibration. And when you're clearing a space, it's usually because you're clearing lower energies out of a space. Low will always go to meet high. And because these instruments have the high tones and frequencies that they do, the lower, denser energy that's in your space will actually rise to meet the higher frequency of the different instruments. This is a Tibetan singing bowl. And all you do, the same as with the sage bundle, just move it around. If you feel some heaviness, you can always go back and redo a space. I was feng shuiing a business once, and I felt this heaviness in an area, and I said to the owner, I said, I'm going to go back and do that space a little bit again. And she said, oh, that's where I fired so-and-so today, and she yelled at me. So that energy was still there, and when you're sensitive to it, you can feel it. This is a bell. It's a brass bell, and it's also used to clear the space. At home, I can use it to clear my dogs. They think I'm playing with them, and they run around and they run away. These are my timbalas. Ralph and Lonnie D'Amicus taught me about this a very long time ago, and I've never left home without them. They're really nice to take if you're going away and you're staying in a space that other people have used and you want to clear out any negativity that might have been left. I incorporate all of these different tools in healing work also, and here's the drum. So no matter where the negative energy is coming from, there's never any frequencies that you can't neutralize or raise to a higher vibration using sound instruments. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions, you know where to find me. See ya.